All right, I'm Doug Mayone with Faber Industrial Technologies, representing Chromalox. I'm just going to show you the Chromalox RTBC non-sensing thermostat. We've already taken the hardware off. The covers pops right off. Here is the thermostat. It's a bulb and capillary thermostat, and the bulb and capillary extends out here. It should be mounted to the pipe, directly to the pipe, opposite the Chromalox heat trace, and it'll sense the temperature of the pipe itself. The completed installation will have insulation over the top, and these warning labels will be on the top of the installation. In here is the thermostat itself, and right here on this side is the set point. So you can actually test the thermostat by passing the set point, and you'll hear that click. So it's roughly 70 degrees in the building right now. The pipe is roughly 70 degrees. So as I pass 70 degrees right at this screw, the thermostat clicks on and off. So for freeze protection of heat trace or freeze protection of water piping, transit specification is 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just tested my set point, which is at the center of this screw. I'm going to dial it down just below 50. And then I can close it up and call it a day.